Hey there, it's Jason here from 4XPipSnager, and today is July the 16th, 2012. Well, I hope you're all having a good time there in the summertime here. It's very, very hot out. Actually, so hot that we need rain for our crops. We need rain for grain. We got no rain, we're going to have a lot less grain. Okay, so I know a lot of you don't follow the commodity markets, but that's where I started trading back in 2001. I was a grain trader. And anyway, I was took a ride out in the country yesterday, and our corn in Canada is only like 1 foot high. And some that may have got it in a little earlier, it's like 3 feet high, where it should be a lot higher. Okay, but it is so dry, and there's no rain in sight. Expect much higher food prices in September because of it. But anyway, I hope you're enjoying your sunny, hot weather and having some barbecues and beers. But anyway, let's take a look at the setups here and we'll see what it entailed. So here is our 3 o'clock line right here. Our opportunity to sell was about 20 minutes or 15 minutes before that. Our stop would have been allowed like 12 pips. It would have went against the 6 pips. Came down, about 50 pips or so. But anyway, if you missed that one, you could have sold it in here, and it never really came back till right down here, but it came close here. Okay, and that was it for the sell side in the UK session. And then, as you can see, this news here at 8:30 took us up real quick. Took us up about 90 pips or so. Let's see, what was it? No, 72 pips. There was no trade here, ladies and gentlemen. There was no trade here when it came back into this line, okay? It's like too far, too fast, no trade. Okay, so anyway, that's it for the euro. Let's take a quick look at our scalper and see if we had any setups back in the UK session. Okay, so here's our 2 o'clock, okay? Basically, I guess you could have got in right there. It broke through resistance, came back down, went up. Yeah, went up like a whole 2 pips, came back down and dropped like a rock. But, however, it turned red, the filter here, so once it retraced back up, you could have sold here, and you definitely would have got your 10 pips, and it went down about 16, 17 pips. Okay, and then there was no trade here, and up in here, there was no trade here. It bounced off support, and that was the end of our opportunity to our window. So you had 2 trades. You had one there, it was a loser, and then you had another one, it was a winner. So did you break even or not? I don't know. Only you know. I wasn't trading it. Okay, that's it for that one. Let's take a look at the pound now. And the pound, same as the euro basically, came down, broke through support, came down, came up. You'd have looked to sell right in here. Stop was about 20 pips. And it went down about 40 pips. You got a 2-to-1 win-loss ratio. Same thing as the euro, okay? It shot up here real quick, never retraced back in. Our filter did not, coordinate with the move. There was no trades all the way up, unless you just decided to buy dips on the way up. And basically, that was it. They started respecting our trigger line back in here, but they didn't respect it all the way up. Okay, so that's it for that. Let's take a look at the Swiss. And the Swiss is basically the opposite of the euro. Okay, so when you were selling the euro, you were looking to buy the Swiss. So you would have bought the Swiss, right in here, the same deal. Okay, stop, same thing, about 10 pips. Went against you about 6 pips, just like the euro, and up it went about 40 pips. Okay, total of 45 pips to the top. Then, like the euro, too quick, too fast, too far, too fast. There was no trades in here whatsoever. So anyway, that's it for the setups for today for July 16th. Have a great day.